Very good news. We are doing something insane. We have never done this before. If you want to meet someone, but for some reason you're not going on many dates every week, and for some reason you're just sitting at home or you're going out with friends that are not single, or let's say you're just preferring not to get out of the comfort zone, and somehow it's difficult for you to motivate yourself, or maybe you think there is nobody out there for you. Maybe your profile is not attracting the right people, or maybe you just don't know what to say to people. Maybe people are not approaching you on online apps. Maybe you don't know where to go, which events to go to. And maybe you don't know how to activate somebody's interest or chasing instinct. Maybe you don't know how to prevent yourself from being ghosted. Maybe you don't know how to activate this special desire in a guy that he would just really, really want to write to you. And maybe you don't know how to get him on a video date. Maybe you don't know how to get him to commit to an actual in-person date very fast. And the last thing, maybe you don't know what kind of questions to ask to find out if he is a good candidate to be a good partner for you, if he's the kind of a person who is going to make you happy, or if he's the kind of a person who will make you feel used or betrayed again. So that is why we are running a 5-day dating challenge. So within 5 days, you will be getting prompts. You will be getting on Zoom with me and my team all together face to face. Not a big group. It's going to be pretty boutique operation as we always do. That's how we love it. It's going to be interactive, not like some other coaches, who get you into a challenge and then they just broadcast and reuse the challenge. No, it's going to be real. It's going to be live. I'm going to see who you are. I'm going to understand what is happening with you. You're going to be held accountable, motivated, get all the instructions, the best instructions in the world, the ones that we use for our very, very high and paying clients who pay us thousands of dollars for guidance. And this is a chance for you to get 3 video dates during 5 days and 1 good date with a really good potential candidate. 5 days only. So this challenge is, we were thinking to charge $500 because the truth is, think about it. People pay $20,000 just for a wedding. Yeah, this is a perfect deal for you. So instead of $500, we are offering it for a $300 only price, which is wow, wow, wow. And honestly, the dating space right now, everybody knows, I don't have to be telling you that, it is not easy. There are so many men who are flaky, so many people who are not real, people ghost, people are not high quality. So come on in. And if you are ready and you saying, I want a partner, and you truly are ready for a partner, then this challenge is for you. 5-day challenge to get 1 date with a very, very high quality man who can potentially be your partner. And also, of course, learn our dating strategies. So put in your name, your card number below, click on the button to register and enroll, and you will get all of the instructions when we are starting, how we are starting, and most likely you will also get some juicy bonuses. Maybe we can even throw in, for the first 10 people who register, we can throw in a 30-minute private session with us as well. So I'm sending you so much love. This is really so epic, this 5-day dating challenge. If you are ready for the best relationship in your life and you're tired of excuses, you really are ready to do the work, to do what it takes and have fun with it and to do it together. At first, we'll be creating your profile really fast. Our profiles is the best. It is going to repel users, repel men, repel people who are not on your level, and it's going to attract givers, attract higher quality men. Our profile is based on an NLP meta model. It speaks to every sense: audio, visual, tactile, even to the sense of smell. Our profile positions you as a high value woman, the one who appreciates a gift. So this is going to be just the beginning of your new, completely new dating journey. And it's going to position you as a woman who knows her worth. And many of our students who used the profile were so surprised. For example, for the first time in her life, she got flowers on the first date, or men would invite you to go to upscale restaurants, to upscale places after reading your profile. So it's just that good. So that's what you do. Day number one, you take pictures based on our instructions, and then you get very specific instructions, which apps to go to, what exactly to write, how to position yourself, how much to write, how much not to write, when to respond, what to respond, how to get them on video date, what kind of questions to ask, and the most importantly, how to close them. In other words, how to get them to invite you to a high quality date at the end of it. I'm sending you so much love. This was Luba Evans, Dating and Relationship Coach 2000s. So jump in while I'm still doing this. I'm sending you so much love.